So activities, right? With the activities section itself, you're gonna click add activity. So in the UCs, there are 20 spots for activities, up to 20 spots. You don't have to, but you can. So with this, there's 6 different categories for these: awards, educational prep programs, extracurriculars, other coursework, volunteer work experience. Keep in mind, this is self-reported. Does this activity fall under this or this? And the answer is, I always ask them, what do you think it falls under? And then whatever they think it is, that's the right answer, because there's no section where things really belong in there. And the readers want to know how your child put that activity under one of these sections itself. So that's the biggest thing there. So that's the biggest thing here. So you'll see also each of these will have their very own different sub questions that they would ask. Awards, educational prep program, different questions they'll ask. Extracurriculars, different questions they'll ask. And then was it other coursework, other questions they ask. Volunteer, other questions they ask, and work experience, any questions they ask as well too. With all these, there's no minimum, there's no maximum, there's no order, there's nothing, right? For all of that, as many as you can is kind of my recommendation for you guys. And then we're gonna go ahead and click save and skip page for now. And again, this should have a lot more, by the way. I'm just speeding through that section, but this should be filled up as well. And then click I'm done adding, and you can go review page. I'm gonna skip page for now. And then we move on to the next section called scholarships and programs.